Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Enable your phone's mobile hotspot and choose a memorable SSID and password so pairing is fast. On the PC, turn on Wi-Fi and optionally Bluetooth and confirm network drivers are current. Outdated drivers cause failures. Decide the tethering method now: Wi-Fi for convenience, USB for stability and charging, Bluetooth for low power. Once done, keep the phone unlocked and within a few meters, so the initial discovery completes without timing out or manual. You proceed to connect. If using Wi-Fi, scan for the SSID on the PC, enter the password, and set the network to private so file and printer sharing stays controlled. For USB tethering, plug the phone into a USB port, accept any trust prompts, and toggle USB tethering. Windows will create a new network adapter. If choosing Bluetooth, pair phone and PC first. Then enable Bluetooth tethering or personal area network on the phone so the PC can route traffic through it. You wrap up by verifying internet access on the PC. Open a web page and check the adapter's IP, gateway, and DNS if pages don't load. Monitor phone data usage and battery. Switch to USB tethering if you need charging or more stable throughput. If connectivity fails, make sure mobile data is enabled and airplane mode is off. Then restart the phone and PC and attempt the chosen method again. A quick restart often resets DHCP and resolves most handshake or driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.